If you're having trouble chatting in Among Us, it's likely due to your account settings, and here's how to fix it. First, you need to launch the Among Us application, sign into your account, and go to the account from the left hand side of the screen. Select My Account, which is between News and Settings. Here, you'll get two different options of account and stats. Select Account and sign in with the Google Play Games, and select Manage Account option. In your Among Us, make sure that you are signed in with Google Play Games. If you play as a guest, you can only use quick chat. So go ahead, enable free chat. So you need to go ahead and enable the free chat also, and then check your age. Among Us limits chat for younger players. Only quick chat is allowed, and for 13 or older, you can use free chat. If you entered the wrong age, you can create a new account. You can't edit it. Another thing you can do is you can verify your account. Before you sign in, complete the verification, and chat remains restricted without verification. Also try updating the game. Open the Play Store or App Store according to your device. Then simply search for Among Us application using the search bar in the top. Search for Among Us, and if you see an update button instead of play, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest version. Another thing you can do is you can reset the game. Go ahead, tap and hold onto the Among Us application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info, then scroll down and select Storage, then click on Clear Cache and also select Clear Data. Then after restart the game, and you can also check the server region, try switching between regions like Asia, Europe, or North America. Chat problems can sometimes be server related. So it could be a server bug from developers or an account glitch. So you can try logging out and logging back in or reinstalling the game. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.